Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water filter supply line in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a 1/4-inch wrench, an adjustable wrench, and a 7/16" wrench. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord and shut off the home's water supply line valve. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the toe kick plate forward to remove. Now use the 1/4-inch wrench to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Use the adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the home's water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 9 screws, securing the lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the power cord strain relief from the panel and set the panel aside. Use the 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the old water supply line from the inlet valve. Remove the retainer from the line. Peel back the tape to release the supply line from the rear of the refrigerator. Moving to the front of the appliance, open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Now pull down the clasp and detach the water filter supply line from the filter housing and the upper housing. Returning to the rear of the refrigerator, pull out the insulator block. You can now fully remove the old water filter supply line by pulling it out through the refrigerator compartment. To install the new water filter supply line, feed the appropriate end through the hole in the rear liner. Slide the insulator block back into place. Seat the supply line spacer in the notch in the upper housing, then attach the supply line to the filter housing and close the clasp to secure. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Slide the retainer onto the new supply line. Fully insert the new line into the port on the water inlet valve and secure the line under the tape. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first sliding the right side behind the water filter supply line so the line is seated in the notch in the panel. Seat the power cord strain relief in the panel notch. Then fully reposition the panel and thread the 9 screws to secure. Remember to secure the water filter supply line's retainer with the top right screw. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the brake feet until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the toe kick plate by aligning it on the lower frame and snapping it into place. Open the home's water supply line valve. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.